you ever wished for a single gadget that could transform to meet all your needs? Meet the ultimate tech accessory that does just that. Imagine a device that effortlessly morphs from a tech organizer to a stylish sling bag, and even a handy desk caddy, all while providing ample space for your tablet, headphones, cables, and more. This eco-friendly marvel ensures your essentials are always within reach, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. Stay tuned to discover this revolutionary gadget. Welcome back to our channel. If you're passionate about cutting-edge gadgets and smart solutions, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Transform your workday with the Lifespan Ampera. The Lifespan Ampera is an innovative office bike designed to keep you active while working at your desk. Standing nearly 33 inches tall in its shortest configuration, it is best suited for a standing desk. Despite its height, the bike remains stable with adjustable feet and a wide seat post, supporting up to 330 pounds. The comfortable seat is tailored for extended office use rather than intense cycling. A standout feature of the Ampera is its ability to convert pedaling into electricity for device charging. The USB-C cable can charge a laptop in 3 hours, and a wireless pad is available for phones, though you must dismount to access your phone. The bike lacks a display for cycling stats, relying on the Lifespan app, which pairs via Bluetooth to track metrics like RPM, duration, power output, and resistance levels. Designed to keep you active during sedentary tasks, the Ampera is not ideal for a full day of work. Users may alternate between standing and cycling throughout the day. Though portable with wheels, its size might be challenging for smaller spaces. In an office, having a change of clothes is advisable as the workout can lead to sweating. Get ready to capture joy with the Fujifilm Instax Pal. The Fujifilm Instax Pal is designed to evoke a sense of fun and nostalgia, reminiscent of childhood toys like Tamagotchis and Pikachu. This small, cute camera is bound to make you smile with its quirky features and simple design. It has just 3 external controls: a power button on top, a shutter button on the back, and a mode switch at the bottom for fun mode or link mode. Despite its playful design, the Instax Pal is equipped with a 4.9 megapixels digital image sensor. It connects via Bluetooth to its companion app, where you can manage settings, shoot remotely, and download images. The app also lets you add filters and stickers to your photos, enhancing the playful experience. The Instax Pal's compact size and lightweight design, just 41 grams, make it highly portable, fitting snugly in your palm or as a keychain. However, the lack of lens protection means it should be handled with care. Its digital photo quality is modest, suitable for printing on Instax film, but not for high-resolution digital sharing. Experience ultimate Bleacher seating comfort with the SitBax Bleacher seat. This innovative seat features a sturdy, outdoor-safe metal frame, a high back with a neck pillow for full-body support, a 360-degree swivel feature, dual-position locking recline, and adjustable backpack straps for easy portability. The SitBax stands out due to its unique high back and swivel capabilities, easy setup, and practical features such as an adjustable recline and padded backpack straps. Despite its high back, the SitBax does not obstruct the view of those behind you. The chair is fully collapsible, making it easy to store and carry. Redefine portable charging with the MChaos Wearable Power Bank. It redefines portable charging with its unique design, easily attachable to clothes, bags, or backpack straps. Its 28-inch retractable cable eliminates tangled wires, allowing you to charge phones, cameras, earbuds, Kindles, GoPros, game consoles, and more effortlessly. Compact and lightweight, the MChaos Power Bank features a sleek, skin-friendly design, measuring 153 by 87 by 28 millimeters and weighing just 180 grams. It's perfect for carrying around. The retractable cable provides convenience, snapping back into place when not in use. Equipped with a lithium cell, the 5,000 mAh model charges most devices 1 to 3 times, while the 10,000 mAh model offers even more power, compatible with tablets and laptops. Experience the ultimate in portable charging with the sleek and convenient MChaos Wearable Power Bank. But that's just the beginning. We have more exciting gadgets to share, so stay tuned. Discover the future of eco-friendly transport with the Lirpe R1, a groundbreaking 3-in-1 electric scooter, combining innovation, convenience, and eco-friendliness. This versatile scooter functions as a standard kick scooter, a portable power station with a built-in battery, and a green transportation option charged via solar panels. The Lirpe R1 features a sleek design with an internal battery, LED lights, and a customizable LED display. It has a power button, charge port, and USB port for charging devices on the go. With the inverter, it supports charging up to 4 devices simultaneously through USB-C, USB, and 110-volt outlets. Foldable solar panels provide an eco-friendly charging alternative, taking 5 to 6 hours to fully charge the battery. The detachable battery, equipped with a headlight, serves as a mobile power source, ideal for camping and outdoor activities. The Lirpe R1 also features a large display for monitoring speed and battery life, enhancing user experience and safety. The scooter's powerful motor, eco-friendly solar charging, and practical design make it a top choice for commuting and leisure. Creating a nighttime routine is essential for optimal sleep, and the ChiliSleep system enhances rest by regulating sleeping temperature. This innovative system addresses sleep issues such as night sweats, hot flashes, and travel disruptions. Quality sleep is crucial for overall health, aiding in tissue repair, hormone regulation, and memory consolidation, while poor sleep increases risks for heart disease, obesity, and depression. ChiliSleep offers the Uller, a cooling mattress pad with a built-in water system to regulate temperature. The pad has a mesh side for cooling and a cushioned side for comfort, fitting seamlessly under your sheets. Its control unit, placed under or beside the bed, ensures no EMFs disrupt your sleep. The Uller can be programmed to adjust bed temperatures, warming it as you fall asleep and cooling it during the night, with a warm awake function to gently wake you up. ChiliSleep products cater to both singles and couples, with the Me version cooling one side of the bed and the We Pad covering the entire mattress with dual temperature controls. The Chili Pad allows for precise temperature control from 55 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit, catering to individual preferences. Other products include the Cube Sleep System and the Chili Blanket. Its ease of use and customizable settings make it a must-have for better sleep. Discover the Onyx Boox Tab Ultra. The Onyx Boox Tab Ultra stands out in the world of e-ink tablets by running Android 11, allowing users to install apps like Amazon Kindle and Google Play Books. This 11-inch device is more than just an e-reader. It supports note-taking and lightwork tasks, thanks to its magnetic pen and optional keyboard cover. Powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, expandable via a microSD card, the device is optimized for reading and note-taking. Its customizable refresh rate balances speed and display quality. While not suitable for gaming or media consumption, it excels in browsing, reading, and writing. Battery life is a standout feature, lasting weeks on a single charge, making it a reliable companion for extended use. Although the bookstore may lack contemporary titles, the device's ability to run apps from the Google Play Store ensures access to a vast library of content. As mentioned earlier, meet the Alpaka Vertex pouch. The Alpaka Vertex pouch is a versatile all-in-one solution designed to streamline your tech essentials and keep you organized on the go. Serving as a tech organizer, desk caddy, and sling bag, it offers ample storage for devices like an iPad mini, headphones, cables, and chargers. Unzip and fold its magnetic flap to transform it into a desk caddy, keeping your workspace neat and efficient. The Vertex pouch features a quick-access front pocket and a large storage area inside, with mesh pockets, a magnetic pocket for pens, and a soft-line device pocket for an iPad mini. It stands on its own for easy use as a desk caddy and ensures stability when carried. Available in Black X-Pack RX36 and Axoflux Black or Army Green, the pouch uses high-quality materials like Hypalon pull tabs and a Maglocks buckle for the strap. This polished premium tech organizer seamlessly transitions between home, office, and travel. With its thoughtful design and sustainable materials, the Vertex pouch sets a new standard for tech pouches, making it a must-have for anyone needing to keep their gear organized and accessible. Hey everyone! Thanks for sticking around for this video. If you found this helpful or entertaining, subscribing to the channel is a fantastic way to stay in the loop. I'm constantly creating new content, and I'd love for you to be a part of the community. Stay tuned for our next video, where we dive into another set of must-have gadgets, particularly a unique mini waterfall and mood lamp with integrated Bluetooth speakers that creates a tranquil oasis with the soothing sounds of nature and an elegant design. This device is set to change your life, so don't miss it out. See you next time.